Okay, this is part 2 of me replacing the original chain on my 04 Yamaha Warrior 350. On with the video. Alright, just got the new chain and chain separator, and let's get this thing on. Okay, so the chain for the Yamaha Warrior is a 520 by 98, but Yamaha doesn't make a 520 by 98. They make a 520 by 120, so we need to separate the chain. Ooh, look at that pretty gold color. It's more of a bronzish, I guess. Okay, we have the chain out of the box. Now we need to put it on the four-wheeler and cut it to the correct length. Alright, so we've got the chain on, but we need to put this to its minimum, which means we need to loosen the top bolt up here and the bolt that goes between these two, and I'm doing that right now. Okay, so we got our link. Now we do that. Let's see, where's the... We have our link that we want to remove. We take our link separator, place it here, and hold on. Start screwing this into place. Be easier if I do this later. Okay, we have the first pin out. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't record everything, but I got a little pissed off and I don't want to put that on YouTube, so I didn't record everything I needed to. But we've got the chain on. I made a mistake when splitting the chain and I cut it one link, sorry, words don't work. There we go. One link too short. Well, I took the master link off the old chain and the master link that came with the new chain, and I kind of jerry-rigged something up, which will hold. It'll work. The first master link is right here, and that's from the old chain. You can tell because it's kind of a silver-ish color. Then we have the new master link right here with a normal link in between the two master links. By doing that, you get one more link of room to fix your mistakes, I guess. Alright, that's been my video for changing the original chain on the Yamaha Warrior 2004 Yamaha Warrior 350. Thank you everyone for subscribing. If you like my videos, please hit the like button down below, and please, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thank you for following me on the journey with this beautiful, well, now beautiful looking Yamaha Warrior 350. Thanks for those 47 subscribers. I know that's not a big number, but it's big for me. Thank you for following me on the journey with this Yamaha Warrior, and until the next one, see ya.